Want to save on your Grubhub order? In this video, I will guide you on how to find and use promo code PsychaPro. First of all, launch open the Grubhub app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to download this. Now, make sure to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you want to first check if you qualify for a new user discount. For that, you can tap on the offers option. If you find the new user discount, you simply want to get that offer. Now, to apply your promo code, you want to go to the checkout in the app. For that, you first of all have to place your order. So go ahead and search for the order that you want to place. Once you have found it, go ahead and tap on place order. Now proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, under payment methods, you will find add a promo code option. Paste your promo code there and hit apply. The discount will update instantly if it is valid. If the code doesn't work, confirm you've met the minimum spend and are using the right account. Keep in mind that only one promo code can be applied per order, so choose the offer that gives you the best savings. And that's it. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.